Children at Work, Summary and Conclusion. Children at Work, by Rudyard Kipling, portrays the lives of children who work in various occupations, highlighting their struggles and the harsh realities they face. From chimney sweeps to factory workers, these children endure difficult conditions, sacrificing their childhood for survival. The story emphasizes the societal issues of child labor and the need for compassion and action to protect these vulnerable individuals. Despite their hardships, the children in the story display resilience and determination. They find moments of joy amidst their toil and support each other like a family. Through their experiences, the narrative sheds light on the importance of empathy and understanding towards those less fortunate. The conclusion of Children at Work calls for collective efforts to eradicate child labor and provide opportunities for education and a brighter future. It urges society to prioritize the well-being and rights of children, ensuring they are not deprived of their childhood. Subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning for more insightful narratives and educational content.